watching BTV.
Graphene, a black powdery substance normally created from graphite, has been thought to be a miracle substance for more than 20 years. But finally, thanks to a unique manufacturing process from natural gas developed by the Graphene Manufacturing Group, it's now a key ingredient in a line of breakthrough applications.
GMG's products enable customers to save energy, extend equipment life, and reduce emissions. We have a graphene coating which can enable an air conditioner or a heat pump or an AI data center to be more efficient. We have a graphene lubricant which can make your engine run smoother and with less fuel. And we have a graphene aluminium-ion battery which will be able to be charged in 6 minutes.
With these applications now hitting the market, there's a growing sense of the true potential at hand.
One of the key properties of graphene is that it dissipates heat, it transfers heat. The data center operators are continually trying to get rid of the heat, cool down the equipment. Well, coated with graphene, that can help in that process enormously.
GMG works with Rio Tinto, one of the largest mining and processing companies in the world, to co-develop GMG's fast-charging graphene aluminum-ion battery.
If this pilot works using the graphene aluminum battery, then we can utilize this in almost every type of large machine on the planet. It eliminates the pollution that is caused by diesel emissions in many mining applications, both terrestrial-based and underground mining.
And Rio Tinto is just the tip of the iceberg.
The global fuel business, the heating and air conditioning market, including data centers and other kind of applications like that. Each of them are 10, 15, $100 billion industries, which GMG is bringing a very disruptive technology to.
It's still early days, but the potential for GMG is starting to come into focus.
When I look at the future for GMG, I'm excited about all our products. Every one of them is a company maker. Every one of them is a category killer. They're all unique, they're all high margin, and they're all amazing products our customers are just getting to understand the benefits of.
Investors will take notice because GMG is now looking to move beyond its current base in Australia into North America, which is a source of lower cost natural gas, a key component of GMG graphene.